Hello, my name is Beulah Olarinde, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to register on Upwork and get your account approved as a Nigerian. Now I need an email, but because this is a demonstration, I'm going to be using a temporary email. Okay, so I'm going to use a temporary email. I'm going to use this email here, and then this is my inbox. Yes. Okay, now we have the page. We are going to start filling all our information. Yes, I am a Nigerian. I don't need to hide anything. So my first name is Morayo, and my last name is Soteria. And yes, I want to work as a freelancer. Okay, let's just add one letter to that. Yeah, work as a freelancer. Yes, I do. Create my account. I want to work as a freelancer. We are given options. Go to your own personal email. Verification complete. Now fill out your application. And I have here, I already drafted this. Make sure that it is detailed. It contains all information about you and the work you do. So this is an opportunity for you to edit, add, subtract, or do anything looking good, morale. Congratulations, you are now part of Upwork. Tips to get started. Complete your profile, add portfolio items, testimonials, certificates to stand out. You will win more jobs by using the Upwork app. Get the app. Submit eye-catching proposal, and remember, it can often take more than 5 proposals to win your first client. Read up on Upwork payment protection for working through Upwork. With this, you can see now that you are now part of Upwork. See, you're public. So you can edit your profile. You can view your profile. So after the first email we got to verify our email address, we have another one, add testimonials to your profile to stand out. If your profile was not accepted, you are not going to receive any email like this. I should strengthen your profile for non-Upwork client testimonials, request testimonials. You won't get this email. This is another email. Attract more clients. Create custom project offers. If you were not accepted, you won't receive this email. So with this, you know you have been accepted. Right. You can start bidding. Okay, find work. Yes, Upwork readiness test. Make sure you take this test. Yeah, make sure you take this step. Can you see that the congratulations, you are now part of Upwork is showing? Yeah. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.